All right, let's talk affiliate marketing. I'm gonna show you how to get started like right now. And yeah, by the end of this quick explainer, you'll know exactly what to do. We're covering what it is, how to start for free, and the real secret to getting traffic. Okay, so what is this thing? People make it sound so complicated, but it's actually super simple. That's it. You're just getting paid to recommend stuff you already like. It's that simple. The whole business model is literally just these 3 steps. Get a link, share it, get paid. And this isn't some weird trick. All the huge companies do it. Amazon, Target, you name it. Okay, first step, you gotta pick your niche. Basically, what do you love talking about? Everyone asks this. Is it too competitive? Honestly, it doesn't matter, as long as you have this. Just check these 3 boxes. If you're passionate about it, you've already got a huge advantage. All right, step 2, let's get you signed up. And here's the best part, it's totally free. You should never have to pay to join a program. And nope, you don't need a company. So most applications ask for a website. Here's a little hack for that, because you don't need one. Just make a free YouTube channel, copy the URL, and paste it. That's it, it works. Okay, the most important part, traffic. How do people find your links? I've got a secret weapon. Forget trying to shout over everyone on social media. We're going where people are already searching. I mean, look at these numbers. The amount of traffic on Google and YouTube is just insane. And since Google owns YouTube, your videos pop up in Google search. It's like a 2-for-1 deal. And no, you don't have to show your face, just show the product. That proves you're real. All right, the big question, how do you actually get paid? It's super simple and totally automatic. Companies just pay you automatically each month. You just set it and forget it. So there you have it, the whole roadmap. It's free, modern, and built on what you already love. Remember, your passion is your expertise. So what's the first